And I'm also testing this battery. Last time this GoPro battery that I'm using lasted like 10 minutes, so I'm expecting this vlog to be cut off right about now, at which point I literally will take that battery and fucking throw it in the garbage. So yeah, this battery, I thought it was trash and it just died. Hello ladies, hello gentlemen. Welcome to another vloggy vlog. This is a beautiful one, and it's a beautiful day. If only the CRV decides to hit the gas and make this light, then my day will be complete. And he did. Beautiful thing. How are you guys doing today? That's the real question here. That's the real Mama Jama. Because I'm doing fantastic. Look at these beautiful colors. That's kind of why I wanted to head out for a little cruise on this beautiful Monday, the Veterans Day, which I have off. Haha. What you call it? Yeah, Veterans Day. And I literally actually went out for a cruise. I have a couple of errands to run. Oh, look at all this graffiti here. It's pretty graffiti. But I have to go to the Apple store really quick. What's with the shit, bro? Come on, bro. Come on. Good little construction action over here. Nice little skate park action over there. So yeah, I went out on a little mission to take some photos of the bike, of me next to the bike. I was gonna do a little burnout maybe. Yeah, all these things. And mission is accomplishing itself, because I actually already took some nice sweet shots. Actually, instead of taking pictures, I've been taking video. I'm just taking video stills. Haha, loophole. That way you can get a nice picture in there. But right now I'm going to the Apple store because I just got a new phone. I got a, what you call it, XS Max iTelephone, and I need to go get AppleCare for it because I got it from AT and the T, and they did not let me buy AppleCare, so I have 60 days to do it. So I waited for 3 days and I was like, I can't risk this shit. I need that AppleCare life. So, and I'm also testing this battery. Last time this GoPro battery that I'm using lasted like 10 minutes, so I'm expecting this vlog to be cut off right about now, at which point I literally will take that battery and fucking throw it in the garbage. You know? Because I had enough. And then we got Texas over here. New buildings. That's a nice kind of a view. I like this development here, because look, you can look over the park. It's kind of fun. It's kind of a fun thing. Got another park over there. I keep meaning to fly the drone from here, because even though there's a lot of PO, it's also a good landing pad, so you could send it high and just like, you know. Oh man, today would have been a good drone day. Damn. Texas is not really driving all that quickly, because it's hard to drive fast and smoke cigarettes sweetly, you know. Cigarettes sweetly. Oh, look at that little e-bicycle. That was cool. That was a cool little machine. Ooh. This is new. This is definitely new. Wow. So yeah, this battery, I thought it was trash and it just died. So it is indeed trash. I'm gonna throw it in the garbage. Let's see how long this one lasts. Long story short, I either need a GoPro 7 or new batteries. Whichever comes first. Come on, bicycle. Oh boy. We got big trucks, more cigarette smokers. We got all the things. Come on, green light. Give me that sweet sugar. Sweet sugar. Random little food truck. A deli over here. Some murals. Ooh, stop sign. Oh, nice mural right there. I like that one. That one's pretty cool. This truck gonna pull out. There's not even a stop sign here. I don't know what this person is doing. He's fucking chilling. Strong, relaxing. This bicyclist is playing a little music. Can't complain. Can't beat that. Now we're just cruising. The back street of Williamsburg. Oh, look at that new development right there. With those balconies. Oh, it's glorious. I do like that. Come on, baby. Come on, you black van. Let's see what you're made of there, champ. There you go. I just don't feel like fucking savaging anybody right now. I do and I don't. Oh, it's fucking people. I'm gonna have to pass everybody. That's just how that's gonna have to work out. That's the only way. That is literally the only way. Otherwise I'm gonna lose the potatoes, and I need the potatoes. I want to keep them. But that's basically where I'm going, right over there on North 3rd. That is the place. That is the place where the Apple store is. But we're gonna kind of like just do like a quick little move like that around these folks here. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of traffic there. I think I'm gonna probably not go that way, because look at this madness. It's all right. I don't need to go to Jane Motorcycles. That's the only place that I've thought about going down there. And the park, the Domino Park. Ooh, look at that Civic. That was actually kind of dope. Yeah, I was gonna check out the Domino Park and take some more photos there, but that traffic kind of scared me off, you know what I mean? I'm like, nah, B. Oh, look at that Benz. Damn, son. That's nice. Bedford. So, we'll take a little stop here. Hopefully there's a parking spot right in my face. And we are at our destination. Well, I'm gonna have to swing back around because I want my bike to be safe and sound. I'm not trying to get my bike fucked with. You know what I mean? Not trying to do that. So now I have to do another little loop-de-loop. And it's funny because it wasn't so cold at first, but now that the 30-some degrees are really starting to chap my ass. I wonder what's going on over here. This person is not even turning. All right, well, now you're turning. Come on, kids. give birth. I'm trying to not be a savage, but it's hard. It's hard to not be a savage. So here we are. We're back in Berg. Here we are. I'm gonna park on this little block here and be jolly tamale, you know. There's all these spots everywhere here, but I kind of want to get really close, so I think I'm gonna park